Select the Terminals Library command on the toolbar for other modules. On the left of the dialog box, choose the position of the equipment, horizontal for suspended ceiling cassettes, or vertical for radiators or fan coils in skirting boards. Let's take the case of a radiator as an example. Select the type and the thickness. Real thickness for drawing at 1:20 or 1:10 scale, or symbolized for drawing at a 1:100 or 1:50 scale. Specify dimensions here, and then by clicking once on the image, indicate two specifications: the position of the radiator, in a corner or in between 2 points, and the position of the tap. Then specify the green points that indicate the way the radiator is going to be installed. Place the terminals and specify their characteristics. Once the terminals are placed, they can be listed in a table. To do this, use the Bills of Materials toolbar. Start the command, and then enter a title and choose a type of table. Now you can place it on the drawing.